गाने से इनको एक सिंगर का नाम बताना है, ठीक है? तो लेट्स सिंग अ सॉन्ग। ओके, सो असम या मोह के धागे गाने गायक असमिया गायक को पहचानो। इन्होंने बजरंगी भाईजान में भी गाना गाया था। इतना क्लू काफ़ी है। बजरंगी भाईजान असमिया गायक, ही इज़ वेरी फेमस नाउ। ये असम को बिलोंग करते हैं। हु इज़ द सिंगर? टाइम। Now next to Dayanand. Wrong answer. Next to Arvindo House. Next to Vivekanand. No, wrong answer. So this is from Shraddhanand House. Shraddhanand House से किसी को आंसर आता है तो you will get the 2 marks for your house. आप अपने हाउस को 2 मार्क्स दे सकते हो अपने आंसर से। ये एक एसएमएस सिंगर है, इनका नाम बताना है आपको।
Who is the singer of this song?
नेक्स्ट हाउस विवेकानंद। यस मैम, प्लीज कम हियर बिकॉज आई डोंट हैव अ कॉर्ड लिस्ट। प्लीज कम हियर इफ यू नो द आंसर। अरविंदो हाउस एंड देन दयानंद हाउस। जो आंसर बताना चाहते हैं प्लीज यहाँ पे आ जाए।
श्रेया घोषाल।
नो, रॉन्ग आंसर। श्रेया घोषाल नहीं है, वो असम की तो है ही नहीं। नेक्स्ट अरविंदो, एनीवन? एंड दयानंद। सो द सिंगर इज पापोन। सिंगर इज पापोन। ये मोह के धागे। Okay, now I invite to Anita ma'am for the second round. Got it 10 marks. Arvindo got it 20 marks. Vivekanand got it 10 marks, and Shraddhanand got it 15 marks. So only the 5 marks difference from the Dayanand and the Shraddhanand House. Maybe they will exit in the second round, that is the geography and economics round. Hand it over to Anita ma'am.
Already I have told that those they will maintain their silence. They will got the 2 marks. Sir has also told, but deduct 5 marks also. And especially the Arvindo and from Dayanand, from Arvindo and Dayanand, more number of the students, they are busy for the gossip. I think they haven't any interest. Dayanand. The question goes to Dayanand. It is related to the geography. Obviously, the geographical questions, it is related to the surface. Area sown more than once in an agriculture year plus net sown area what it is known as?
Gross cropped area.
Is it correct? Okay, then you have to get the marks. Correct answer it is. The next question, it goes to Aurobindo. In which year, for the first time, plants were added to the list of Wildlife Act?
1991.
Is it correct? 91 or 72? Yes, it is right. The next question. What does Joint Forest Management furnish? What does Joint Forest Management furnish? Time is over now. The question goes to Shraddhanand.
Degraded forest. Degraded forest.
The answer it is not complete. Answer it is not complete. Next, it is passed to the Dayanand.
Intermediary benefits like non-timber produce.
Again your answer, main answer it is not completed. The answer including in there the terms. Next again, pass to the Aurobindo. Okay. Already I have told that joint forest management. It means it is the involvement of local community. So answer it is not correct if the local community will not involve. Now the next question, it is goes to Vivekanand. Vivekanand. Okay. Goes to the, you have to put the 0 marks for that. Okay. The next question it is, which human activity has contributed most in land degradation? Which human activity has contributed most in land degradation?
Urbanization and agriculture.
No.
Overgrazing.
Already I have told the most. Now the answer passes to Dayanand.
Mining and deforestation.
Main it is what? The 2 options you have told. You have to reply only one. You have to reply only one.
Mining.
No. So already the answer it is replied by the Dayanand. They have replied the 2 points. And what it is? Again I have told no. It is passes to Aurobindo.
Deforestation.
Yes, it is the correct answer. For all the purpose it is for the deforestation started. Even the mining, urbanization, industrialization or any other purpose, firstly what they have started? Deforestation. Okay. Now, the next round from Dayanand.
+5 मिला उसको, +5.
अभी तो 5 मार्क्स था, पासिंग मार्क्स था।
हाँ, गुड.
दयानंद को
नहीं, ठीक है.
No one have replied the correct answer.
अरविंदो ने बोला ना।
अरविंदो ने
Yes, Aurobindo have the +5.
Yes.
Okay. Now the question goes to Dayanand. What is the most important component for the comparing different countries? What is the most important component for comparing different countries?
Per capita income.
Yes, it is the correct answer.
अरे करेक्ट पे ताली तो बजा दो, इतना बच्चा बच्चा बोला.
Next question goes to Aurobindo.
बहुत लंबा चला था.
Why Kerala has a low infant mortality